In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a natural roll-on in a simple way. This roll-on can have different uses, but we will always use two basic ingredients. First, a vegetable oil and one or more essential oils. We also need a roll-on container and a pipette. Let's see how we do it. We simply have to fill our container with the vegetable oils. You can make use of the pipette for that. We do not fill it to the top, but we rather leave a space about 1 finger for the essential oils. This is the moment for the essential oils. We will add 10 drops of citronella essential oil and 3 drops of lavender if we want an anti-mosquito roll-on. You will add 7 drops of madarin and 6 drops of lavender if you want a relaxing roll-on. You have to be patient and let the essential oils fall drop by drop. Now close the container and shake it. That's it. We can use our homemade roll-on areas such as wrists, neck, or ankles. Now enjoy it.